Hello. This is story time with Erica and
Leo.
Good job. Today we are going to read The Thing About Yetis.
I know what the thing about Yetis is.
You do? You know this book?
Yeah.
Okay. The Thing About Yetis. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter. Do you like winter, Leo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. They love waking up on snowy and quiet mornings and drinking hot chocolate with their favorite stuffed toy. Look how many marshmallows he put.
Why?
That's a lot of marshmallows. They love sliding down on their bottoms. Whee! Building snow castles. That's a big one. What do we usually build in the snow? What do you guys usually build in the snow? What do you build?
Who?
Do we build castles or snowmen?
Snowman.
Yeah, he's building a castle, which is pretty neat. And pretend they are Godzilla. Boom, boom, boom. They knock down the castle. They love ice skating, Yeti style. What does that mean? What's he doing?
Lying on his belly.
Yes, he's on his belly. Yetis make the best snowballs on the planet. Look how big that snowball is. Wow. And the best snowmen, too.
Is that him?
It does look like he's inside of it, yes.
Is that him?
I think so. It's funny, huh?
But
But sometimes winter can be tough, even for a Yeti. Whoo, swish. It's windy. And after all, Yetis get cold too. Really, really cold. And when their snowy fur finally dries, it gets a little poofy. Look at him. On those days when Yetis can't get warm and the box of hot chocolate is empty, oh, that would make you sad, wouldn't it?
I'll make it a little crabby.
Yeah. Yetis can get downright crabby
Why?
because they don't have any heat, or they don't have, what do they want? They can't get warm because they're still cold, and their box of hot chocolate's empty. So now they're crabby, which means they're grumpy or mad. So here's a little secret for you. The thing about Yetis is that sometimes they miss summer. I didn't know that. They miss playing outside for hours on hours and long sunny days. Do you like winter or summer better? That's a tough one. Winter? I like winter too. But summer's fun. Look at all those people playing. They miss looking for little creatures by the sea. What did he find?
Octopus.
And having sea monster beauty contests. Leo uses the seaweed as wigs.
He's the scary.
He is a little scary there.
He's the scary.
Yetis miss building big sandcastles and pretending, sit down, I can't see. And pretending they are Godzilla. So he's still doing it like he did in the snow. He's just doing it in the sand now, right? It's the same thing, but still, he's not cold. They miss zipping down splashy slides on their bellies. What did he slide on his belly on earlier? Not a slide, but ice and snow. Yeah, you're right. Good job.
The water slides, though.
That does look fun, doesn't it? I can't turn the page. There we go.
Water slide.
They miss wishing on a shooting star and glowing light shows of hundreds fireflies. The sound of crickets on a warm summer night. The thing about Yetis is that Yetis love winter. Because on the coldest, wettest, windiest winter days, Yetis know just what to do. What do? Let's find out. They make the warmest, coziest, calmest summer day right at home. What kind of things does he do? And he's got a beach hat and a drink and a beach towel. And he's got flip-flops. That's pretty funny on a snowy day.
What has he got?
I think he does.
What has he
All right,
got?
stay tuned. We'll have another video of an activity for this book. Take care.